Are you traveling to Hanoi, Vietnam? This is your flying author Leah to recommend the ultimate day tour and hotel in Hanoi, Vietnam. Classic Street Hotel is a 45-minute drive from the airport and a 10-minute walk from the Plaza and Opera House, a great place to stay with a complimentary breakfast and excellent customer service. The hotel offers tours. I chose a full day tour with Heritage Travel. The full day tour includes Bai Dinh Trang and Moi Cave tour. They picked me up from my hotel around 8 a.m., which is very convenient. We stopped at the store to stretch our legs and saw how Vietnamese women make these crafts. Our first destination is Bai Dinh Pagoda. Bai Dinh Pagoda is a vast complex, so we took an electric car to the entrance. I enjoyed the ride. I rewarded her and she gave me a smile. Our last destination is Mua Cave. To enjoy the beautiful view, the challenge here is to climb the 500 steps to reach the mountain's peak and to see the lion dragon. I'm here to explore Vietnam, so I took the challenge to climb the 500 steps. Yes, it was a bit of a challenge for me, but don't push yourself hard. You can stop in between to enjoy the view and catch your breath. So don't hesitate to climb these 500 steps. The beautiful view is worth it. This is where the tour ends. Visit Hanoi and do this tour. Enjoy your trip, and I will see you later. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.